Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to set up face unlock on Vivo V50 Lite 5G. If you're using Vivo V50 Lite 5G and now you want to set up your face unlock on your phone, so let's see how you can do this. You just have to open your phone settings. From here, just look for password and security. Here's that, select it. Then select face from here, and then you have to enter your phone password if you have. And after that, just tap on start enrollment. And here you have to verify your face, so you just have to wait for the process, and after that you just have to tap on OK. So that's how you can easily set up your face unlock on your phone. If you want to use your face or your CNL locks, you just have to enable the setting. And here's the app encryption. If you're using any app locks, so it will just use your face to unlock your apps. You have to enable the setting. There are some different settings. The animation style, which will appear on your lock screen while your phone is scanning your face. So that's how you can easily set up your phone's face lock on your phone. Vivo V50 Lite 5G. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.